Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have your hot cup of coffee ready today, even though it is summertime, because, well, iced coffee as well. We have ourselves a beautiful new Ridge wallet and Ridge key case. And with this, Ridge and Hennessey are teaming up for Ridge's third annual summer sweepstakes. Now with this sweepstakes, you watching this can enter in to win a brand new upgraded Hennessey Ford Bronco or $75,000 cash. So we'll get more into those sweepstakes rules in just a second, but first we have to take a look at this beautiful wallet. Now of course the Ridge wallet can hold 1 to 12 cards. It has RFID blocking technology backed by their lifetime warranty. And of course they have many other color options and key case options as well. If you have not already seen my videos, top link in the description box below the video. Use my code and get 10% off, including more sweepstakes details, which we're going to get to in just a little bit. Okay, so coming into it here, look at that right there. Picture of a Bronco right there. The new Bronco looks sick. Good night. And you got your little brochure there. Okay. So just like all the wallets, get yourself a nice little Ridge sticker, throw that on your water bottle, throw that on your Yeti. Boom, Ridge right there. Now coming to, we're going to get to the key case here in just a second. So once again, every single Ridge does come with the money clip option, and you have the extra band as well. We have our wallet right here that comes with the money band, or of course you can flip over to the money clip, whatever you prefer. You do have your little screwdriver and additional screws. Changing that out is super simple. And of course here is the money band right here. This is flexible. And then of course inside, let's take that out. Inside, you can hold 1 to 12 cards. Look at the beautiful coloring on this one here. Hopefully the camera's picking up print there. And then of course our orange lines, our logo and Hennessey right here on the front. And then we've already seen the back as well underneath there, right there. Now, if you are wondering, it does have little traction pads on the bottom of that. And we're gonna load this thing up with cash right now and show you, but that also prevents slipping of your cash out from the band. And let's quickly look at the Hennessey key case here. Got our brochure, go ahead and read that over. And beautiful same print on it right here. And what's nice is the key case can hold 1 to 6 keys. The key case can prevent your keys from jingling around, which I noticed in one of my recent vlog videos on my other channel. The keys start rattling around and it's kind of a super distraction. So if you're doing a lot of car vlogging, like a lot of us are these days, then I highly recommend getting a key case. And it also has a clip for you guys with your skinny jeans. You can clip it on the outside or inside of your jeans. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the key case first here. So they do give you a couple other little accessories for it if you want to add on to the back of it here. So let's take a little look here. I have 3 keys, so you can obviously whip it out if you want like that, or just go right here and flip it up. Designed very much like the wallet here. So I got 3 keys in there right now, and we're not hearing any jingling, any jangling. And then because they fold up like that, looking really sharp. Again, pop your thumb in, out like that, etc. With your hook on the back, and we're looking absolutely fantastic there. Okay, coming over to the beautiful Hennessey Ridge wallet here. Again, pushing up like this here. And I actually have 8 cards in it right now. So as you just saw me put them back in, if you wanted to remove them all, slip them out like this. Obviously, I won't show any credit cards or my license on camera, but you're gonna see my beautiful Costco card here. Now, one of those cards in my wallet, in the stack right here, is a large steel Crypto.com card, and I got plenty of room in this bad boy, again, up to 12. Flipping it to the back side, I got myself a nice little dub and a dime right over here, looking absolutely fantastic. Slipping it back in might be a little bit easier if you go with the folded side up against it, like you just saw me do, vice versa. And what I would actually do with the cards stacked in, use your most used one on the front, or your most used one on the back. Which one do I have here? Okay, I have my shopper's card, good. So, again, take your most used one, whip it out. I got my snowboarding pass for this coming up year, stoked on that one. And then with it fanned out still, pop it back in, or you can pull them all out, separate through them, and then put it back in as we can see right here. So the one on the back, you whip it out. Let me put that back in so you can't see that. And then slip it in and pop it back into place. Overall, a beautifully designed wallet. And now let's give you the details. The Hennessey Ford Bronco, or $75,000 cash. So once again, top link in the description box below the video is going to be my code, where not only you can pick up this Hennessey Ridge wallet and key case, but also every dollar you spend on Ridge's website, you get one bonus entry for every dollar. So you can buy the custom Hennessey products or any other products, up to 1,000 entries. And by using my code, top link in the description box below once again, you'll get 10 bonus entries at checkout and 10% off of whatever you purchase. And also fantastic news, you can go on Ridge's website without spending $1 and enter in to the sweepstakes for your chance to win that upgraded Hennessey Ford Bronco or $75,000 cash. Grab your entries for the Ridge Hennessey Summer Sweepstakes. Grab your products, grab your wallet, your key case, pick up some gifts, and hopefully you'll be able to win that Hennessey Ford Bronco or $75,000 cash. So this is the perfect time. If you've been waiting, grab your Ridge wallet. Thank you again to Ridge for sponsoring this video. Once again, top link in the description box below. We will see you folks on the next video. My name's Chris. We'll see you later. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.